Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. Where I live, there's a restaurant called Panera Bread. Their most popular soup is the chicken and wild rice soup. That's what I'm making. It came out super good. Let's make it. I have a hot stock pot. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter. This is salted butter. I'm going to melt that down. Now I'm adding half of a chopped onion and 1 minced garlic clove. I'm going to mix that together. Now I'm adding 2 stalks of celery and 1 carrot, chopped into small pieces, diced up, and I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes, just to give it a head start in the cooking process. Now I'm going to add half of a cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to combine that. Just cook it for another minute. Make sure everything is combined. Now I'm going to add 32 ounces of chicken broth. And this is some spices. 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, mixing that together. Now, this is long grain and wild rice soup. There's a couple of different brands out there, and they come with a seasoning packet. Add the whole thing to this soup. It gives it a lot of flavor. Okay, mix that together. And this is 1 chicken breast that's been cooked and shredded. Okay, adding that. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Okay, mix that together. Now I haven't added any salt yet. I'm going to cook this and I'm going to bring it up to a boil. I'm going to cook it for 25 minutes until everything's cooked. And I ended up adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And it comes out super good. This is a really tasty soup. If you like Panera Bread's chicken and wild rice soup, this is very, very similar. So this is chicken and wild rice soup. Very, very tasty, very comforting. Thank you for watching.